Alright, as you can tell, I've got the body off the frame, the cab, and the basically pretty much apart. Obviously I'm going to pull the engine and stuff out. Got my donor car. It's a 2004 Lincoln Town Car. So I intend to use the 4.6 out of this and the transmission. Obviously, the main reason I got it was the front suspension. I don't know how well you can see it there. So I will do an in-depth on how to do that for these older trucks. And then basically going from here, how to transplant this into the truck. Made a little cart for the cab to roll around. I haven't quite got it in the windshield and everything out of it, but it's apart enough that I can start working on the chassis, which is what I wanted to do. Probably going to go with an 8.8. I have an Explorer for this, unless I come across a 9-inch pretty cheap. But the bolt pattern would match the Crown Vic front suspension, which I'm using. Obviously not using that engine, but I'm using the 4.6 out of the Lincoln. Let's see, I did take some videos of me taking this all apart and cutting the bed out because somebody welded some steel into the bed for over the wood. But some of those videos didn't come out, and plus I kind of figured that a lot of you probably didn't want to sit there and watch me take a vehicle apart. So I'll do a little collage of a bunch of pictures of it coming apart, so it's a shorter video that way. And obviously I'm probably not going to video me taking this apart, but as I'm going together, I will actually do some step-by-step stuff depending on what I'm doing. So hopefully if anybody else is doing this, and there's already videos out there, but I figure the more the merrier. It can always help. You never know what you're going to run into. All right.